Now, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about 5 easy ways that you can actually make money online in India as a teenager, whether you are someone who's going to college or maybe you are in school. Definitely, this video is for you. Now, in this video, I'm not going to talk to you about filling surveys because that's a complete waste of time. Neither I'm going to talk to you about opening a YouTube channel or becoming an influencer because even though they are a great source of making money, but it's not for everyone, right? It requires a lot of time. You need to be in front of camera maybe, so it's not for everyone. So in this video, whatever we are covering is based on 3 simple factors. First one, it should be low investment. So your upfront investment should be quite less. Second, it should be easy to start so that majority of you will be able to do this. And third is that the amount of time required to make the money should also be less. So it's more like once you start doing this particular activity, you can actually make money probably in a week or 2, right? So that's the goal. So these are the 3 main factors that we have taken into consideration for making this particular video. And also what I want you to do is pause this video and then go to the comment section and tell us what are your plans to do with this money? What are you actually going to do with this extra amount of money? So drop a comment, and without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Now, one of the easiest and one of the simplest ways that you can actually make money online in college is actually by selling notes. Now, this is something which I personally regret that I never had an idea about this back in when I was in college, because it's very simple. Majority of the students in college, they don't write notes, including me. We never wrote notes for any of the years. So just before the exam would come, we would just go to the topper's room and we would Xerox all the notes which he had. It's as simple as that, right? So that's what we did for all 4 years of my college life. And if I had the ability, or if I had the idea of going back then and just tweaking a little bit here and there, and then making a PDF version or making an ebook of those notes and then just put it online, you're able to actually make money out of it, because you don't have to sell these notes for 500 or 1000 rupees. No, you can actually sell them for maybe 30 rupees or maybe 50 rupees. So imagine if just 100 people or just 100 of your batchmates actually buy these notes, because everyone Xeroxes it, right? So if 100 people actually purchase these notes, you're instantly making about 5,000 rupees. Now imagine if you're able to do this for, let's say, 4 subjects, or if you're able to do this for multiple different semesters, the amount of money which you can actually make from this is actually immense. You don't have to actually have a own website. You can even sell it on maybe Amazon, or you can actually sell it locally in your own college. There are multiple ways that you can actually implement this. So this is one of the easiest ways that you can actually start making money in your college itself. Now, another great way of actually making money online is by testing websites and giving your reviews. Now, when I'm saying testing websites, I do not mean that you need to know programming languages or you need to know coding. Nothing of that is required. When I'm saying testing websites, is purely that you're giving your feedback about a particular website. So it's same like how you watch unboxing videos on YouTube. You see these people opening a particular product and then giving a detailed impression or giving a detailed review about the particular product. Similarly, you will have to do that in case of websites, where you are probably recording yourself or doing an audio recording of yourself, and you're just giving a detailed impression or your first impression about a particular website. So how is that website? Do you find that color appealing, or the entire flow of that website? Do you find that particular website good? So you will have to give a detailed impression of that website. Now there are multiple different websites that actually pay you for doing this, like user testing or try my UI. So they pay you on an average $5 to $10 depending on how many tests or how many reviews you're doing. On a monthly basis, you can make about 8,000 to 12,000 rupees per month by actually giving these reviews. Now, if you still haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe, as in this particular channel, we talk mainly about investing as a beginner. We talk about education or career-related topics, and we talk about topics around productivity. So it's all about achieving our goals together, and that is the goal of this particular channel as well. So if you still haven't subscribed, do subscribe. Now, this is one of the easiest ways to actually make money, but it does require a lot of time. So in data entry jobs, what you're basically doing is you are working for a couple of websites. Now these websites, they will give you a video or an audio recording, and those video or audio recording, you will have to convert that into text. So that's the ideal job. Now why is this required is because now let's say a content creator like me, I want to have captions in my video. So I would reach out to these websites And what in turn these websites would do is, these websites would in turn reach out to these freelancers who would then convert these video into captions and send it back to the website, and the website gives it back to me. So that is a way that you are able to get a decent amount of income from this. If you want to know a little bit more about the transcription jobs, I would highly recommend you watch this particular video where I explain different kinds of websites where you can actually work as a transcriptionist and make a decent amount of money as well. On a monthly basis, you're able to easily make about 12,000 to 15,000 rupees by doing transcription jobs. So do check out this particular video as well. Now, the fourth way of actually making money online is by video editing. Now, trust me when I'm saying this, video editing is a huge demand right now. The amount of content creators that are out there, maybe on Instagram or on YouTube, are immense. If you open Instagram, there's so many people actually making reels. Or if you open YouTube, there's so many people making vlogs or short videos. So if you're someone who's able to edit their videos, in that case, you trust me, you are in huge demand. Every single content creator pretty much requires video editor at this particular stage, because when you're making videos, the maximum amount of time is required in editing process itself. So majority of the content creators require people who can edit their videos. So if you're someone who is able to charge maybe 5,000 rupees or 6,000 rupees per month, in that case, just by working with 4 different people, you're able to make about 20,000 or 25,000 rupees per month by just video editing. Now, you don't have to open a Fiverr profile or anything. You can actually reach out to these people on Instagram or on YouTube or even through their email IDs. It's as simple as that. Now, if you do not know how to edit videos, that's also okay. There are so many different YouTube videos that actually teach you how to edit videos. Or there are even courses on Udemy which are completely free of charge that actually help you understand how to edit videos and become an average or become a mediocre professional editor. So definitely an easy way to actually make money. Now, the fifth and the final way of actually making money is actually by teaching a language. Now, trust me when I'm saying this, even I was quite surprised to see that there's a huge demand to learn Hindi and English in India. Now, the reason being that if you actually see the South Indian states like Kerala or Tamil Nadu, or maybe the East Indian states like Assam, Meghalaya, Orissa, the people living in these areas or the students who are living in these areas, they actually speak their mother tongue. So their knowledge in Hindi is quite weak. So if you're someone who is probably quite fluent in Hindi, in that case, you can actually teach these people. Or if you're someone who is actually fluent in English, in that case, you can actually teach and help these people, right? So if you're able to charge roughly about 150 or 200 rupees per hour for a student, and if you're able to, let's say, do about 20 different classes per month, in that case itself, you're making about 4,000 rupees per month. And if you have multiple different students, you're able to scale the revenue as well. So definitely, it's a time-consuming process, but an easy way of actually making money online. So these are the 5 different ways that you can actually make money online as a teenager in India, whether you are in school or in college. Now, if you want to know how to invest this money when you are in college, then in that case, you can check out this particular video where I explain step by step in terms of how to invest, where to invest, and how much to invest. So definitely do check out this particular video. And if you found this video useful, do like it, do subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.